Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered what's out there in the vast cosmos? It's a sense of awe and wonder that's as old as humanity itself. The same curiosity that led our ancestors to explore new lands compelled us to reach for the stars. It's a primal urge, a yearning for discovery that has driven some of our greatest achievements. So come with us now as we trace this journey of exploration. This is the beginning of a journey that started with a single step, a glance at the stars. The dawn of space exploration wasn't marked by complex machinery or sophisticated technology. No, it was a simpler time. A time when the human eye, coupled with a piece of polished glass, was all that was needed to unlock the mysteries of the heavens. Our journey to the stars began not with a rocket's roar, but with the quiet turning of a telescope towards the night sky. In the early days, the cosmos was observed through the lens of these basic telescopes, tools that brought the distant stars a little closer to home. They allowed us to gaze upon celestial bodies that had, until then, been mere points of light in the night sky. The moon was no longer just a silvery disk, but a world of craters and mountains. The planets transformed from wandering stars to worlds with their own moons and rings. One man who played a pivotal role in this early exploration was Galileo Galilei. In the 17th century, he turned his telescope towards the heavens and made discoveries that would forever change our understanding of the universe. Galileo observed the moons of Jupiter, proving that not all celestial bodies revolved around the Earth, a belief that was widely held at the time. This discovery was a bold step towards the heliocentric model, the understanding that the Earth and other planets revolve around the Sun. He also studied our own moon, mapping its craters and mountains, and observed the phases of Venus. His work laid the foundation for modern astronomy, and his courage in the face of adversity has made him a symbol of scientific inquiry and the pursuit of truth. These early explorers of the cosmos were driven by curiosity and a sense of wonder. They peered through their telescopes and saw a universe filled with possibilities, a universe waiting to be explored. And so the stage was set for humanity's venture into the cosmos. With the dawn of space exploration, our gaze shifted from the telescope to the rocket, and our ambitions soared from the Earth to the stars. The mid-20th century brought about a new era in space exploration, an era marked by competition and rapid progress. As the Cold War reached its peak, two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union, found a new battlefield: the vast, uncharted territories of space. This period, known as the space race, became one of the most significant chapters in the annals of space exploration. It all kicked off in the late 50s when the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth. This shiny silver sphere, no larger than a beach ball, hummed its way into history, sending shockwaves around the world and sparking a sense of urgency in the United States. In response, the United States established NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, in 1958, marking the beginning of their dedicated efforts in space exploration. But the Soviets were not done making history. Just a few years later, in 1961, the world watched in awe as Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet astronaut, became the first human to orbit Earth. His journey into space lasted a mere 108 minutes, yet it marked a monumental leap for mankind. The United States, not to be outdone, accelerated their space program, leading to a series of significant achievements, including Alan Shepard becoming the first American in space and ultimately the Apollo moon landing. The space race was so much more than just a competition between two superpowers. It represented a quest for knowledge, a testament to human ingenuity, and a demonstration of what can be achieved when we push the boundaries of what is possible. It was a time when every launch, every mission, and every discovery brought us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. The space race not only pushed the boundaries of technology but also highlighted the limitless potential of human endeavor. One small step for man, a giant leap for mankind. These words, uttered by Neil Armstrong, the first human to set foot on the moon, resonate even today as a testament to human achievement. This marked the climax of the Apollo missions, a series of space flights conducted by NASA aimed at landing humans on the moon and bringing them safely back to Earth. The Apollo mission started in the mid-60s, but it was Apollo 11, launched on July 16, 1969, that made history. The spacecraft carried 3 astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Armstrong and Aldrin descended to the lunar surface in the lunar module while Collins orbited overhead in the command module. Armstrong's first step onto the lunar surface was watched on live television by an estimated 600 million people worldwide. The world held its breath as Armstrong, followed by Aldrin, explored the lunar surface, collecting samples, conducting experiments, and planting the American flag. But this was more than just a demonstration of American technological superiority at the height of the Cold War. It was a moment that united humanity, transcending borders and ideologies. It was a testament to what we as a species can achieve when we dare to dream and have the courage to turn those dreams into reality. The experiences of Armstrong and Aldrin on the moon were profound, each in their own way. Armstrong, the ever-stoic engineer, focused on the mission, while Aldrin, the contemplative astronaut, took a moment to take communion in the silence and desolation of the lunar landscape. Each contributed to the success of the mission in their own way, demonstrating the diversity of the human spirit. The moon landing was more than just a technological achievement. It was a testament to human spirit and ingenuity. It marked the beginning of a new era in space exploration, an era where boundaries are continually being pushed and where the moon landing is but the first step in our journey to the stars. As we entered the 21st century, space exploration took on a new form. The dawn of this century marked a significant shift in the dynamics of space exploration, with a new cast of players entering the stage. Among these, private space companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin started to emerge as key contributors. SpaceX, founded by the visionary Elon Musk, has been instrumental in pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space travel. With their reusable rockets, they've changed the economics of space travel, making it more accessible and affordable. They've also made strides in developing the technology needed for long-duration space travel, with the ultimate goal of making life multiplanetary. Their Starship spacecraft is designed with the ambitious goal of carrying humans to Mars. Similarly, Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, has been working towards a future where millions of people can live and work in space. Their reusable rockets, like the New Shepard and New Glenn, are designed to carry passengers and payloads to space, opening up a plethora of opportunities for scientific research, tourism, and even industry in space. In addition to these private ventures, international collaboration in space has also flourished in the 21st century. The International Space Station, a joint project of NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, JAXA, and CSA, has been continuously occupied since the year 2000. It serves as a testament to what can be achieved when nations work together, and it's been a vital platform for scientific research and technological development. The possibility of Mars colonization, once a distant dream, is now closer than ever. Both public and private entities are working on the technologies and strategies that could make this a reality within our lifetimes. From SpaceX's Starship to NASA's Artemis program, efforts are underway to establish a sustainable human presence on the Red Planet. Today, we stand on the brink of a new era, ready to uncover the mysteries of the cosmos. Our journey into space, which began as a race between nations, has evolved into a global cooperative effort fueled by a shared sense of curiosity and wonder. As we look to the future, we can only imagine what new discoveries and advancements lie beyond our earthly horizon. What does the future hold for space exploration? As we cast our eyes towards the horizon, the future of space exploration gleams with endless possibilities. The marvels of tomorrow's space exploration are not confined to the realm of science fiction, but are becoming tangible realities. Imagine vacationing in space, not as an astronaut, but as a tourist. Yes, space tourism is on the brink of becoming a reality, making the cosmos accessible not only to astronauts, but to anyone with a thirst for adventure. Companies like SpaceX are already working towards making this dream come true, promising an experience that's truly out of this world. But our future in space isn't just about sightseeing. There's a whole universe of resources waiting to be discovered. Asteroid mining, a concept once thought to be far-fetched, is now a serious consideration. These celestial bodies are rich in precious metals and minerals that could fuel our economies and potentially solve resource scarcity. And then, there's the tantalizing prospect of interstellar travel. Voyages to distant stars and galaxies could unravel the mysteries of the universe and perhaps even answer the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? The future of space exploration is a canvas waiting to be painted with the brushstrokes of human ingenuity and innovation. As we venture further into the cosmos, we carry with us the same curiosity and wonder that sparked the journey of space exploration. From peering through a telescope to walking on the moon, we've come a long way in our cosmic journey. We've charted our course from the dawn of space exploration, through the heated space race, to that monumental moment mankind first set foot on the moon. Today we push the boundaries of modern space exploration and look forward to a future filled with infinite possibilities. As we continue to explore the cosmos, remember every journey into space is a journey into ourselves and our place in the universe.